So people often ask, when's the best time to have a mommy makeover? The reality is there is no ideal time. It really depends on your lifestyle. There are a few things you should take in consideration which will ensure a successful outcome. So number one, you want to make sure that you're probably done having children. While you can have kids after a mommy makeover, it's going to change your results. Number two, you want to be around your ideal weight. You don't want to lose a tremendous amount of weight after a mommy makeover because it will change your results as well. Third, you want to have financial stability. You don't want this to be a burden. You want it to be a joyful experience. And fourth, you want to have support. You want to have people around to help you, as this will be a little challenging at first, and this is really about you. So if you take these things into consideration, I think that you will have a very successful mommy makeover.